Don Winans, and we farm here, my husband and I. We have 4 kids, 2 full-time employees. We have 2 kids that are home farming with us again. We milk approximately 190 to 200 cows, crop 650 acres. Our milking system is a Rotary parlor. We've been using it for 4 years now. We try to be as efficient as we can with what we have. We don't use tip troughs for the cows. We have the Ritchie, just a float waters, so we can keep the level down so that there's always sort of more of a constant flow of fresh water coming in, not as much water to dump when we do clean them. We recycle our gray water from our washing system when we're washing the pipeline, so the gray water gets reused and we use it to wash down the parlor with. We don't use water to scrape our holding area. We scrape it by hand, and so we think, we obviously save a lot of water doing that. From the pipeline, from the plate cooler, we use the water from that to feed the cows, the water from its gravity flowed out to the waters in the barn. We think water's a pretty important commodity, and we don't want to have to use too much of it, so we just think it's, I guess, just the responsible thing to do. None of it was hard. Scraping the holding area is one of the more difficult things. It would be easier to turn on a water tap to clean it. I think everybody should consider it. Everybody should be responsible, and I think most people try to be, so it's not, I guess, there's some small things people can do to conserve water. We have a lot of roof on our barns, and so if there's a way to do it down the road, then we would try to capture the water, the rainwater off the roofs to use that somehow. It's a huge industry, and because of the nature of the industry, we do have to go through a lot of water. Things have to be clean, and cows drink a lot of water. We use a lot of water, so I think it's important that we all do our part to conserve what we can.